You're planning your new bicycle assembly factory. Let's explore how the device sensors and environmental conditions can impact the ability to track where you and holographic objects are relative to a physical space. Let's get started by going into the new bicycle factory floor, where we'll plan the design of the first assembly workstation. When you're ready, press Next on the navigation panel. There are several aspects of surfaces that can impact tracking. This includes large featureless surfaces like blank walls, repeating patterns, as well as mirror finishes and glass. Let's see examples of this by designing your first workstation area in this large empty warehouse. First, let's add a holographic workbench to the corner of your workstation design. Drag the holographic workbench to the highlighted location, which is in the leftmost workstation area designated with black and yellow tape on the floor. Drag the hologram to the highlighted area marked on. Now look at the next workstation area, identical to this one. Notice how the device can't decide which of the identical workstations should show the holographic workbench. We can fix that by adding more variation to the floor. Let's fast forward to your finished design. Now look around the warehouse and the workshop wall to the left, and see if you can find some of the other challenging surfaces like mirror finishes, glass, and featureless walls. When you're ready, press Next on the navigation panel. Let's use the IoT Smart Factory Lights and Holographic Control Panel to see how lighting can impact tracking. Go ahead and set the lights to minimum brightness using the control panel. Too little light makes it hard to see tracking features. If you have a lux meter, 500 to 1000 lux of light is a good place to start. You can also download a lux meter app on your mobile device to get a quick reading. Let's open the blinds on the warehouse windows using the IoT blinds control to see how sharp changes in lighting can interfere with the tracking sensors. Use the IoT control panel to open the blinds. Notice how the device loses tracking when the bright light from the sun and the dark spots in the warehouse are in view at the same time. The tracking sensors do not have enough dynamic range to cover such drastic changes in lighting. For optimal tracking, ensure that your environment is evenly lit between sessions. Let's use the IoT panel to close the blinds again. That's it for device I/O and environment. To summarize, be mindful of the textures and lighting in your environment, and be aware of how drastic changes in lighting can impact sensors. Press the Back to Home button to return to the main menu.